Hello home enthusiasts. In today's video, we will take a look at the best 3 quality budget-friendly digital camera for photography. I made this list based on my personal experience and extensive research, to help you find a right one for your needs. To find the most up-to-date prices and more information about this product, you can check out the links in description. In first place is Nikon Coolpix B500 16 megapixel digital camera. This digital camera has 16 megapixel CMOS sensor which features illuminated technology to enhance its low light capabilities. With this digital camera, 7.4 fps of continuous shooting is possible along with an ISO range of 125 to 6400. This camera has a 40x Nikon EDVR zoom lens with a focal length range of 4.0 to 160 mm, which covers wide angle to telephoto shots with a maximum aperture. It also features 3 ED lens elements for improving sharpness, color, and image quality, as well as vibration reduction to reduce the appearance of camera shake. When paired with a compatible smart device using the Nikon SnapBridge app, built-in Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and NFC connectivity, it quickly and easily sends photos for sharing on social media sites. Finally, you can upload photos on the go, even in remote locations, or use a smartphone or tablet to control the camera. If you love this, check out the link in description. Coming second is Canon EOS 2000D Rebel T7 DSLR camera. This digital camera offers 24.1 MP CMOS sensor, digital image processor, full HD 1080 video recording, ISO of 100 to 6400 and up to 3 fps shooting. It also has a built-in Wi-Fi with NFC, Scene Intelligent Auto Mode, Creative Filters and Creative Auto Modes. It has aperture range of f3.5 to f38, a 1 spherical element, super spectra coating, micromotor AF system and a rounded 6-blade diaphragm. Its built-in Wi-Fi with NFC permits pairing it with a smartphone or tablet for wirelessly sharing photos and movies for instant online posting. It also enables wireless remote control over the camera from linked mobile devices using the Camera Connect app. Finally, its 9 points phase detection autofocus system incorporates a single cross type point to lend a high degree of focusing accuracy in mixed and low contrast lighting conditions. This focusing system also utilizes an AI servo mechanism for faster tracking and more accurate results. If you love this, check out the link in description. Last but not least is Canon EOS M50 mirrorless camera. This digital camera offers a dual pixel for fast and accurate autofocus that helps you get the photo you want right as the moment happens. Its 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor and the digital 8 image processor delivers incredible color, clear details, and stunning range. Its vari-angle touchscreen LCD has a flexible tilt range which is ideal for high-angle and low-angle shooting and reviewing of your photos. It also has built-in high-resolution electronic viewfinder, which features approximately 2,360,000 dots to see high amounts of detail when capturing. You can automatically transfer your files to your compatible device for easy backup and online uploading with automatic image transfer. Finally, it has an aspect ratio of 3:2 and it print directly to a compatible printer. The f/15 to 45 mm lens allows for high-speed, high-precision autofocusing with full-time manual focus mode to make adjustments after focusing. If you love this, check out the link in description. Pleasure is all yours.